Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on NOK JPY? Now, if you remember from our previous analysis on this pair, what did we say? We said the market clearly has created this W formation. Now, after a W formation, what do you want to see? You want to see the market make a move to the downside. Specifically, you want to see the market make a move to the downside back to the neckline, aka the previous resistance, now turned support from a weekly point of view. So we definitely wanted to see from the weekly time frame the market make a move to the downside. Now, the market has already started to give us the move to the downside that we wanted to see, also because clearly was the completion zone for the pattern, the previous support here against support, all the support is strong resistance here, so a strong supply area from which the market definitely is supposed to melt. Now, if we go and see what we have from a daily perspective, we can see that the market has printed a lot of bearish candles. Now, if you're already running, because you found on the 4-hour time frame a good entry, if you're already running the trade, then continue to run the trade risk-free. But if you're not already in the trade, where is a possible opportunity in which you can be looking for a potential setup on NOK JPY? Now, very often, if the market creates an impulse and starts a retracement, it will at least try to make another move to the upside. So at least try to create the next impulse. And this impulse, most of the times, is a perfect manipulation, because when the next impulse starts, everybody starts to buy. And hedge funds and big institutions can use those buy orders to actually sell and complete the pattern on the higher time frame. So again, if you're already running the trade, continue to run the trade risk-free. But if you're not running the trade, I will now show you how you can be looking for a potential capitalizing opportunity. Now, let's go and see what we have first from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders. What big banks and institutions are currently doing from a JPY perspective. Now, if we go and get our data for the JPY, what we can clearly see that currently we are sitting at 32.5k net positions. So we went from having minus 56k net positions to having plus 32k net positions, meaning that we went from having way more shorts than longs to having way more longs than shorts. So overall JPY, we can expect it to get stronger, therefore NOK JPY to actually complete the W formation to the downside with a nice bearish retracement and bearish leg. So the way in which you can be approaching this is, again, if you're already running the trade, run it risk-free. But if the market will move back up and try to make the next impulse to the upside, then we will all get out of the trade a break, even if you're already running it. And at that point, what we will be doing with students, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective inside of this area, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice short with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the move to the downside, creation of a double top, and completion of the weekly W formation. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. And I will see you in the next video.